Hi guys, we are back at Three Sisters today. We're joined with Alex again in the car. So this is the big boy day today. So this means that there's basically tandems and a different track layout as such. Good start. Good start, Lucas. It's the pressure of the camera. Yeah, so we're basically on the starting lap now, which, as you can tell if you're familiar with this track, that we're going a different direction to what we would be last time, which goes up the hill and round, which I'll probably put in, to be fair, so you can see all that. It might not be super exciting, but you get the idea of what we'll be driving on. There's two lines, so you've got caged line and then you've got non-caged. So that's basically for the people that want tandem, they'll have a caged vehicle like this one, or non-caged, then you'll just be going out singly, I'd have thought. But yeah, sound rated sound, the car's fine. I've put the different wheels on and dropped them down massively pressure wise, just because it's quite wet. It probably will dry up, but we'll see how they go, because they're not that great of a tyre anyway. There's about like half tread left on them, so we'll kind of see what they give us and adjust as and when. There's some really nice cars here though, which obviously I assume it's just because it's a big boy day. There's drift leagues on next month, early next month, so this is probably the last practice that some of these guys are going to get. So it's nice to see a bit of variety in vehicle to what we've seen before. It's quite interesting that up and then it's transition then back down. I feel like you'd be a lot faster as well.
Oh, definitely. It's kind of getting this angle of this corner, understand what it is, because we came the opposite way.
Yeah, where you're going uphill, where it's like not struggling, but like you can tell you're going uphill. Yeah. Whereas this will be like swooped down. I like the look of this bit.
I do, like
it's like angle out and then flick. I don't know where you transition now, I guess somewhere like here.
Yeah. Sighting lap and photography lap with wheels on, which aren't great but not dreadful.
Sorry, not taking a photo.
So good. Oh, he is. He is.
Interesting.
Shanahan him. And then at least we have one bar. But man, there's way more photographers this time.
I know, there is a lot of media people, isn't there?
Oh, if he has a big lens, you coming out of here.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a good spot. Is that Alex and Joe there? Maybe? No, two other lads. Oh, Alex and Joe there. There's the Mondeo and Alex and Joe.
Wow, the boys. I want to hear I want to hear them two go.
Yeah. Look at that camera or that camera.
Ah, man.
That's cool.
Wow, it's like old school kind of camera. That's much, my guy.
I just didn't want to go with it. I was scared. But here we go.
I was gonna say second gear was like a perfect then, because it's so greasy is a correct word.
Yeah.
That was way slippier than last time, I feel like.
Yeah, it definitely was. I think I was struggling with front end grip. I'm not going to mess with the front, but it was, I don't know.
It was the first time, isn't it?
Yeah, once I figured out the front, it wasn't too bad.
Maybe a month since you last drift?
Yeah. Shambles, but I got round it.
Yeah.
I thought we were going to do like a reverse edge or something.
Yeah.
We were kind of gliding for ages.
All good.
I could have powered out of that, but I decided that I didn't want to go on.
Deeper and then be like that.
My entry on that bottom bit was very good.
Yeah. It's so dry
it's
now.
Slippy though, because I didn't really want to go super wide, but we did.
If you want to go short tyre out now, because when you think by the time you're actually on it, it'll be dry.
Yeah.
Like bone dry.
Yeah. See how this goes. Give it a little bit more this next time.
Oh wow!
How'd you find that?
Holy shit!
Good, isn't it?
That's insane!
Yeah. Actually, Joe, by the way, camera. I didn't introduce Joe. Just kind of stuck into it.
Oh yeah, shit!
Joe's here.
I completely forgot you were filming.
Yeah. Joe's first time in a 350.
Yeah. Not as good as the Abarth, but
well, you know. We can't all be fast.
That's mental.
Still very grippy. I'm not sure how well she'll. I just have to try and flicker a bit more aggressively.
Obviously, done the MX-5, now the 350. It's completely different. That 2 litre compared to the 3 litre. That sounds very bad, Lucas. Oh no.
So we're back in the car after like a long sort of break, really. So the last clip we ended on, the car was making a weird noise after we had entered that corner. The exhaust kind of here disconnects itself, so there's, obviously there's a V6 you got off the headers, it goes into like a Y pipe and then it connects to the main tube down. That bit had separated, probably a mixture of things of power pin driving, maybe a bit of wear and tear on the exhaust, and that the back hanger isn't connected. So to make sure that is snapped off, we had to obviously get Halfords, get a clamp it back together, and that's what where we're at now basically. This will be the first time we're going back out. It was ridiculously loud without the exhaust on, so obviously we've had to do something about it because we couldn't go on track like that because it's a bit too much. But I've put the PS up a little bit because the last run it was decent, but it was a little bit too grippy, so just put it up a little bit more to hopefully allow for that. And I've been advised as well on the hydro pulling to do more longer pulls than doing jabs, because it doesn't actually make sense jabbing it when you should be doing long pulls to slow down the car. So that's what we're trying. We're in the normal lane, so just going out in singles currently, just so I can feel the car. So I think it's silly to do a test not doing that side and this side. Makes sense to me. But yeah, we'll jump to actually driving because it should be in a second. Don't want to spin out. A very nice car behind us. one all day. I'm
That
happy
was
with that.
fucking amazing.
That was really good.
That was fucking beautiful.
I'm happy with that.
There's Russ next.
Okay, perfect.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Like that. Okay, yeah, I'll take it.
Smashed.
Oh, is it fucked? Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, go on. Speak to you when you go in.
You got a wheel?
So it's smashed.
On the way home.
Gently being changed every time I do a dry day freeze. Something happens. Out of the blow box, blow it, yeah, from blowing it.